Hello again. Let's learn how to upload files on Bulkpay for disbursement. Only users with the uploader role can upload files on the Bulkpay portal. These users will see the upload and sample buttons at the top right corner of their screen. To upload a file, follow these simple steps. Click Upload on the left toggle pane underneath the dashboard. Click the Sample button to get a sample CSV or Excel file. Fill in the cells with the correct and valid information and save the file. Make sure to set a name for the saved file. It is important to maintain the same format as the sample file to avoid the file being corrupted. Next, click the Upload button on the top right. Select Upload from Files in the drop-down. Please note that the accepted file formats are Excel and CSV only. Choose your saved file with all the correct information. Now, it's time to choose when the processing should take place. There are 3 options to choose from. On approval. This means transaction being processed immediately after all needed approvals are given. Scheduled. Set a specific date and time for processing. Approvers need to approve the scheduled upload before processing will begin. Recurring. Choose daily, weekly, or monthly processing on a set date. For extra security, you can validate recipients before submitting. Validating the recipient ensures that the name in the file and the name registered on the wallet or bank account match. You can also save files to reuse. Next, the approver will receive an email to approve the transaction. The approver would have to follow the steps below. Log into their Bulkpay account. Click the Upload buttons on the left toggle pane beneath the dashboard. Click the Details button next to the transaction to be approved. Click the Approve Transaction button below the Upload details. Add their narration and check I want to approve this transaction box. Click Confirm Approval. Once approval is done, disbursement is instant. The approver may also deny the transaction, if necessary, by clicking Deny Approval.